welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for stopping by and checking out this video. In today's video, I'm going to be making an unboxing video. Inside this container, I have fish and ugu vegetable brought from Nigeria. Okay, so before the end of this video, I'm going to be telling you how much the fish and the ugu leaf cost. Keep watching. And if today is your first time on this channel and you have not subscribed, do as well by subscribing and turn on the bell for notifications so that when next I upload another video, you'll get notified. Okay, so this is the fish. The lady that used to bring this stuff up here for us, I live in Italy. This is how she usually package it. I don't know how she used to package this, because if I have to pack this back, I can't do that. I don't know how she used to manage to do this right and perfect. Look at that. I like this type of fish because it doesn't scatter like the other black fish.
I know you're waiting till the morning comes my back. I just wanna be alone to feel free tonight. Told you so many.
Though the black fish is sweeter than the other one. So I like the both fish though.
Time don't wanna look back. Do I break your heart? What I feel inside, it burns me out. She wonder how I leave you. There's no tears, my love Humber cries anymore. Now I leave you. I am perfect size for another one. And you and I believe. Everyone talk to me. If I like some more than once, you are personal. Now I get this moment conversation, and tonight I don't wanna be alone to take the blame myself. Told you so many times, but never look back till I break your heart. What I feel is
Okay, finally, I want to let you know that this fish and ugu that I'm going to be showing you, yes, this is the ugu. They both cost 150 euros. For each 1 kilo, it's 12 euro. That's 12 euro for 1 kilo, plus the money that she used to buy the fish and this ugu for us. So everything worth 150 euros. But that fish, at least I'm sure of having fish for about 6 months, because I only use the fish for soup. It is my husband that usually eats semo, so that will last us for about 6 months. Though sometimes I use the dry fish for stew. Oh my god, have you tested that before? If you have, let me know at the comment section. Okay. I like it and I enjoy it. Yes, I am not a semo type, but my husband eats semo a lot. I don't. I can stay like 3 months without swallow. Can you do that? Let me also know at the comment section. So finally, let me know what you think about this parcel of mine, whether it's too expensive in your area. How much do you bring things up here for a kilo? Yes, this will go. It's fresh, but it's a kind of yellowish. I don't know.
breaks me down and burns me out. Left to nevermore. She wonder how I leave you. There's no peace.
So thank you so much for watching up to this time, and I hope to see you in my next video. If you have not subscribed to this channel and you have been watching me, or today is your first time visiting my channel, do me well by subscribing and turn on the bell for notifications so that whenever I upload another video, you will get notified. As always, thanks for watching. Ciao, ciao. Bye.